Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland and welcome to 45 Finch Street, Western Springs. This architect-designed contemporary home is oozing with style and it's such a great option if you are looking to get a low-maintenance home on the city fringe. The generous open-plan living flows through big sliding doors to the sun-soaked alfresco entertaining with secure gardens that are just perfect for keeping little ones and fur babies safe. Underfloor heating, insulation and double glazing ensure this space is a place to enjoy no matter what. The expansive and flexible layout is ideal for a whole host of buyers, from families to flat shares, as well as downsizers and astute investors. Upstairs is super spacious and you'll find a master bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe and ensuite. A further double and a single or home office are also on this floor. There's a full bathroom plus a sitting area on the landing. A true 21st century haven, the Cedar Retreat also comes with a pretty fantastic postcode, and Finch Street is one of the area's most tightly held pockets for good reason. With great schooling options and only 5 minutes to Grey Lynn, Kingsland or Morningside Precinct, this is such a great place to be. Don't delay, make sure you come along on the weekend. We look forward to taking you through.